Hi everyone, this is John Wen. Today is January 3rd, 2019. Happy New Year. Through today's video, I gonna talk about what I've been done in past week. So here's a layout. Firstly, I try to configure the user web application on database.cs.wn.edu server that is allow user to hold their own web application in their home folder. So people can visit the applications by using the tilde with their username in the URI. Secondary, I found that the Tomcat server now is only support to deploy or auto-deploy .var file under the app base folder, and currently it is set to the web apps. So it becomes a little troublesome for us to deploy in a public folder for each users. So right now we have to extract the .var files under this folder and then restart the server every time. So later I will try to take a look at the Tomcat configurations and see if there's any auto restart that can be implemented after every deployment to streamline the process. So let's take a look at the code. So here's a Tomcat home directory. So let's cd to Tomcat folders. So recall from last time, what I was trying to do is to set up the individual host for every users. So that is to realize a similar functionality that is to help user not to interfere with others. So right now we're realizing that the proxy policy by Wayne State University that is not able to open enough ports to host enough the web host for us. So we're trying to use only one host and with different home directory folders. That is to realize the same functionality. So let's take a look at what I've changed here. So in the configuration folder, there is a server.xml file. So we've been added few items here. So in the host XML, and we have app-based web apps. So we just said, yeah, here is web apps. Um, So we added a new listener that is to point the home base to the home folder and set the directory name to the public underscore HTML. So that is able to start up the Catalina to user configuration through this home base directory. That is to let user to use a tilde together with a username to visit the home folders for their applications. So let's take a look at the my directory. So let's cd back. So here is what I got in public home directory. I have a dataview.var file, so I have to extract it. Dataview.var. Alright, it looks like everything has been extracted. So now I have to do is to go to the Tomcat folder again to restart it. So here is a script we can restart the server. Firstly, we have to shut down the server. I'm not sure why, but seems like we have to try twice. Okay, and then we're gonna start it. Okay, so let's take a look at the website, see if it is able to visit right now. Okay, so here is win.edu. We might give some time because they have to start it up. Okay, here we go. And we just deploy the same .var file on the my directory. So let's try to visit there. All right, it looks good. So let me try to log in. So again, I get the same blank page as in a home directory, sorry, in the 8080 home root directory. But it looks like it's functioning well as we expected. So let's try to visit another user's folder, maybe Dr. Lu's folder. So here we go. Here is Dr. Lu's programming resources. A lot, right? Let's um So I think it's right now it's working, but the troublesome issue is we have to restart the server every time, and also we are not able to auto deploy the .var file. So that becomes a little troublesome. And let's take a look if I can find anything that's helpful to streamline the process later. So that will be the content of today's video. And thank you for your time. Happy New Year and happy coding. Thank you.